So you're curious about animating with Flipaclip. You're not alone. Um, Animating, every beginner animator has been there. It's a powerhouse app that feels like a professional tool, but in your pocket. First step, download the app from App Store or Google Play. Um, Easy, right? Once you open Flipaclip, you're greeted by a clean workspace that doesn't intimidate. It's like opening a new sketchbook. Um, so tap on Create Project to start. A screen pops up asking for a project name and frame rate. Frame rate determines how smooth your animation will be. I recommend 12 FPS for beginners. More frames mean more work, but smoother animation. Next, choose your canvas size. Standard HD size works wonders. Think about a blank canvas waiting for your masterpiece. Now you're in the drawing space. This is where magic happens. Tap on the brush icon to select your drawing tools. Pencil, brush, or eraser toolkit. That's versatile. Uh, um, the onion skin feature is a game changer. It lets you see previous frames as you work on the current one, like ghost images guiding your strokes. This reduces guesswork. Just toggle it on and voila, you can see exactly where things are moving. Drawing frame by frame sounds tedious, but in Flipaclip, it's satisfying, oddly therapeutic. Start with a rough sketch. The first frame doesn't need to be perfect, just a skeleton. Click the plus sign to move to the next frame, building the story stroke by stroke. Adding colors is straightforward. The paint bucket tool fills areas quickly, cutting down time. Pro tip, outline thicker lines to prevent color spill. The undo button is your best friend for this phase. Trust me, mistakes happen even to the best of us. So how do you get sound? Tap on the music note icon to layer your animation with sound effects or songs. Import audio files or choose from the provided library. Sound amplifies emotion, like salt enhances flavor. Don't underestimate it. You might face the challenge of realizing your character doesn't look as dynamic as you imagined. This is common. Tweak your frames using the lasso tool to select and modify shifting limbs just right. It's like digital surgery, except nobody screams. And exporting is the grand finale. Tap the export button when satisfaction is achieved, rendering it into a video. Options include MP4 or GIF, perfect for social media sharing, because who doesn't love showcasing their hard work? Still want smoother animations, add more frames. Sometimes remember, more frames equal more fluidity. It's math, but for creatives, and it's this approach that separates good animations from phenomenal ones. And I think of it as workout reps, right? You build bigger animation muscles with more practice, right? And stuck on ideas or need help, Flipaclip's community is a supportive hub. Engage with tutorials or forum discussions, and connecting with fellow creators accelerates learning. And it's like a giant collective brainstorming session. But and you realize you're not in this alone, you know. And finally, relax and enjoy the process. Flipaclip is designed for exploration, not just completion. Um, sure, there's a learning curve, but every masterpiece starts with simple steps. And uh,